what's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's episode guys, as promised, we will be giving out free NBA cards. This is the second box break of free NBA cards for those na nag-comment doon sa box break first video natin. So again, this is the second box break na we'll be giving out free NBA cards. So for this episode guys, we will be giving out bagong-bago 2023-2024 NBA Draft Picks Prism. So let's see now, we'll be giving out NBA cards. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel para you'll be able to be notified yung mga bagong promos, products, and giveaways ni Cars 360. You don't miss out. Don't forget to like also our official Facebook, Instagram, and join to our Viber channel para you'll be able to be updated sa lahat ng bagong offerings ni Cards 360. So, paano nga ba to? So again, lahat na nag-comment doon sa video nung first box break po natin, will be able to check doon yung mga nag-comment. Nag-comment naman po kami doon ng entry counted if you are part of this free NBA cards giveaway. So again, the first card na makukuha natin on the first, yung team ng first player, nung first card on the first pack na makukuha natin, we'll be giving out that to you guys. But then again, we are quite generous today. What we're gonna do is the first pack na lang, hindi lang first card. Yung buong first pack na open natin for today, ayan siya guys. So, kuha tayo ng isang pack. So, the first pack, lahat na nandito guys sa pack na to, pamimigay na lang natin lahat na nag-comment doon. So hopefully may mga nag-comment nung team na yon para you'll be able to get them. So once na mapili namin kayo guys, just message us sa Facebook guys para we'll be able to ship out the products. So para maganda, you can either order any product sa mga stores natin and then isasama na lang namin yung free NBA cards nyo. By the way, may kasama na rin siyang top loaders. Itatop loader na rin namin and i-sleeves na rin namin para safe na safe yung mga free NBA cards nyo. But then again, don't you worry, kung di naman kayo nanalo guys, available na po to sa ating official Lazada, Shopee, and eShop Cards360.store. This is the Mega Box Edition. Available na din soon yung Blaster Box. So again, just check our stores if you would like to get one. So let's try to open the first pack para makita natin sino ba yung mga nanalo ng free NBA cards for this episode. So again, all the cards na nandito sa inyo na po, everyone. For the first card, we have Allen Iverson. Okay. We have Keegan Murray. So, gawin natin, since Allen Iverson is from Philadelphia, so kung may nag-comment ng Philadelphia, sa'yo to. Keegan Murray is from the Sacramento Kings. So kung may nag-comment ng Sacramento Kings, this is yours. Paul George from the Clippers. So let's check kung may nag-comment. We have a rookie card of David Singleton. We have Zion, New Orleans Pelicans. Rookie card of Marcus Sasser. Jalen Brunson from the New York Knicks. We have Colin Castleton, rookie card. And then, there you go. Keyonte George, kala ko si Wemby guys. From the San Antonio Spurs, rookie card. Keyonte George, sayang, hindi pa naging Wemby. But don't you worry, meron tayo ditong parallel na red. From the Spurs ulit, rookie card of CD Sissoko. Ayan, rookie card. Okay, CD Sissoko. Alright? So again, free NBA cards guys, lahat ng nakuha natin. Comment lang kayo guys sa ating Facebook page, PM nyo lang kami para you'll be able to get yung mga cards na to. For our box break number 3 guys, ang gagawin nyo lang, again, ganun ulit, comment lang kayo sa video na to nung inyong favorite NBA team. And again, we will be drawing on February. Post na lang namin yung exact date doon sa video description kung kailan sa Feb namin siya i-draw. We're planning around siguro Feb 17 para you have a lot of time to comment. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe. That's all for us today. Again, congratulations to all the winners. Stay safe and God bless. That's all for now. Thank you.